Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm going to be doing today a no foundation makeup look, or you can also do this for back to school since it's really quick and simple. If you are new and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and bell notification, and let's jump right in. So first things first, I'm applying my Olay Daily Moisturizer. I always make sure to apply this before my makeup. And then I'm going to jump into the Poreless Primer from e.l.f. And this I applied on the T-zone, and then anything left over I just apply to the rest of my face. To color correct, I'm using the Benefit Boing Brightening Concealer in number 1. And that's just going to help me with covering and brightening up a little more since I have really dark circles. For concealer, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer in the shade, actually, I'm not really sure, but I will make sure to leave the shade down below in the description box for you guys. And I'm just applying it as usual under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, right underneath the contour line, I call it. And I'm going to go ahead and blend everything in with the Echo Tool sponge, which is my favorite. Just make sure you blend everything in, and anything that's left over on the sponge, I just go ahead and apply it on my eyelid. So now taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Loose Powder, I'm just applying that under my eyes just to bake. And jumping into the eyes, I'm actually going to do my brows first. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil in the medium brown. And I just fill in my brows with this pencil. It's pretty good. I mean, you cannot beat the price. I think it's like under $3, depending where you buy it, or $3, something like that. Now that I think about it, I think this is like the first video in a long time that I do my brows on camera. Usually I just skip this part since it takes forever. But if you guys want to see like a more detailed, not something quick like this, but an actual more in-depth video, just how to do my brows, just leave a comment down below and let me know. Okay, just taking a powder brush from Real Techniques, I'm just going to take that powder off under my eyes from the baking. And then I'm taking the NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat powder, and I believe it's the shade Beige. Again, I'll link everything down below. And I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. Moving back to my brows, I'm taking the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel just to set them in place. Okay, for my face, I'm starting with my bronzer, and this is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. And I'm just gonna take a Real Techniques brush and just bronze my face. This used to be my favorite bronzer, and I hadn't used it in a little while, so I'm kind of like trying to use it again, see how I like it. It's pretty nice. I wanted also a different shade or tone of bronzer for my face, so I'm going to go ahead and mix in the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I know I'm being lazy. I just want a tiny bit of a contour on my nose, not too much. So I'm taking the same brush instead of a smaller brush. Just taking that same Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, just a little bit of it for my eyes. And then I'm gonna be taking a little bit of the Tarte Park Ave Princess Bronzer. The same bronzers that I applied on my face, I'm applying a little bit of those same on my eyes just for more definition, since I won't be using eyeshadows. And I was gonna do the mascara, and I remembered that I forgot to curl my lashes. So I'm taking my all-time favorite Tarte Picture Perfect Eyelash Curler. And now I'm gonna go into my mascara. So my favorite one, it's the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I get it in the blackest black, and I get the waterproof one. Moving back to the face, for blush, I am taking the Balm in Stain blush in the shade Houndstooth. Houndstooth? I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And back to the same powder from Wet n Wild, just to carve out a little bit under my contour line, just to clean up the area. And taking the Gerard Cosmetics Star Powder, which is the highlight in Maryland. Taking the NYX lip liner in Nude Beige to line my lips. I line them, and then I also kind of fill them in just a little bit. And I'm going to top that off with the NYX Butter Gloss in Tres Leches. I'm taking that same highlighter from Gerard Cosmetics just in the inner corner, just to open up and brighten up my eyes a little bit. And to tie the whole look together, my favorite Scandinavia Bridal Setting Spray just ties the whole look and makes it last for hours. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Also comment down below, follow me on Instagram at Makeupbylicci. I will leave every single detail in the description box. I will see you guys on my next video, and again, thanks for watching.